Hey there, have you ever wondered about the projects trying to reshape the digital economy, making it more inclusive and fair? Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of Newton Project, a decentralized infrastructure dedicated to building a free and open digital economy. The Newton Project isn't just a recent buzzword, it's a vision with a clear, and quite long, history. It all began in 2018 with the publication of the Newton White Paper. This document laid out the core principles, creating a community-driven digital economy where everyone can benefit from their contributions. This was followed by the launch of the new chain mainnet in August 2018. This wasn't just a prototype, it was the foundational blockchain powering the entire ecosystem, built on a unique consensus mechanism called Proof of Contribution, POC. It's their way of rewarding users for their efforts and participation, a key innovation. Throughout 2019, the Newton Project began to take shape with the launch of several key applications. NewPay, a digital wallet, was released, allowing users to easily manage their assets. This was a crucial step in making the ecosystem accessible. They also launched NewMall, an e-commerce platform designed to showcase the practical applications of their technology in a real-world setting. These launches demonstrated their commitment to building a tangible ecosystem, not just a theoretical one. The year 2020 saw a major milestone for the Newton Project. The Newton Protocol was officially adopted as the new standard for the project. This was a significant shift, signaling a move towards a more open and decentralized governance model. It also led to the introduction of NewForce, a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, designed to manage and fund community-driven initiatives. This move solidified the project's commitment to decentralized governance and empowering its community. In 2021, the focus was on expanding the ecosystem's functionality and reach. They introduced NewSwap, a decentralized exchange, DEX, allowing users to trade tokens within the Newton ecosystem without intermediaries. This addition was critical for creating a vibrant, self-sustaining economy. They also began exploring cross-chain interoperability, laying the groundwork for connecting the Newton ecosystem with other major blockchains. Moving into 2022 and beyond, the Newton Project has continued to evolve. They have focused on further improving the Newton Protocol, enhancing its scalability and security. There's also been a strong emphasis on fostering community development and supporting third-party developers to build new applications on the new chain. The journey from a white paper in 2018 to a comprehensive ecosystem today shows a clear and steady progression toward their goal of a decentralized digital economy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.